Topic 1. Case laws on rule against perpetuity. Section 14 Case 1. Short. Afima and Ra, the Uchit means Abdul Fattah Muhammad vs. Rasma Yadav Chaudhry, 1891. The Privy Council ruled that a gift to an unborn person is forbidden under Muhammadan law, except in cases of waqf. Case 2. Short. Ram P and Ram M, which means Rambaran Prasad vs. Ram Mohit, 1966. The Supreme Court held that the rule of perpetuity does not apply to personal agreements that do not confer any interest in property. Topic 2 is all about the landmark judgments related to right to redemption, which is Section 60. In short, GA, DHA and SHA, AL means Gangadhar vs. Shankarlal, 1958, the court invalidated a clause that restricted the mortgagor's right to redeem the property, ruling it as an unfair condition. In short, SA, C and Ni Kaur, it is Sampurn Singh vs. Niranjan Kaur, 1999. The Supreme Court held that if no restrictions are mentioned in the mortgage deed, the right of redemption exists from the day the mortgage was created. Short. Band, RA and SAR, which means Bandaram vs. Sukram, 2000, the court ruled that the time limit to file for redemption in usufructuary mortgages is 30 years as per Article 61 of the Limitation Act, 1963.